The study that I want to talk about was published in February of 2018, and it was published in the American Thoracic Society's American Journal of Respiratory and Critical Care Medicine. Now, the study was completely independent. It was done in Europe, and it involved 6,235 men and women whose average age at the beginning of the study was 34. They monitored the use of national brand household cleaning products, and they also regularly checked their lung capacity. Now, after 20 years, 28 researchers from 9 countries compiled the results ready for publication. And what they found was really quite alarming. They found that weekly use of national brand household cleaning products can cause as much damage to lungs as if you smoke a pack of cigarettes a day. They also found that women are affected far more than men, and that cleaning at home is just as dangerous as if you're a professional cleaner. Partly, I suppose, because people don't think about the cleaning products that they buy from the supermarket as being as dangerous as the ones that professional cleaners use, and yet they are. The other things they found were that women who use household cleaning products on a regular basis are more likely to develop asthma, and that the effect is cumulative over years. Some of the chemicals they think are things like ammonia, chlorine bleach, quaternary disinfectant compounds. I think they're the main culprits. And certainly what my friends and family and I have done is we switch stores. We don't buy cleaning products and a lot of household items actually from supermarket or grocery stores anymore. They're just too dangerous. They sell this stuff and it's really shouldn't be on the market. So we switch stores, and I'd advise you to have a look around at your home environment and look at the cleaning products that you're using and try and find an alternative, because in the long run it will be much better for your health and that of your family.